Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon WorkSpaces. First, navigate to the Amazon WorkSpaces console in your AWS account. From there, you'll initiate the launch of a new workspace. You'll need to select a bundle, which defines the operating system, CPU, memory, and storage. For example, you might choose a standard bundle with 2 vCPUs, 4 GB of memory, and 80 GB of storage. This process typically takes about 20 minutes to complete. Once your workspace is provisioned, you'll receive an email with a registration code. Download the appropriate Amazon WorkSpaces client for your device, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, or a web browser. Open the client, enter your registration code, and then use your assigned username and password to log in. This connects you directly to your personalized cloud desktop, ready for use in just a few clicks. Managing your workspace is straightforward. From the console, you can perform actions like stopping or rebooting your instance, which can resolve minor issues. If you need more power, you can modify the workspace to a larger bundle, increasing its vCPUs or memory. You can also adjust storage capacity, adding up to 200 GB. Remember to manage user permissions and security groups to maintain a secure environment. Amazon WorkSpaces offers significant benefits, providing secure, persistent desktops accessible from virtually anywhere. To optimize costs, consider using auto stop for workspaces that aren't needed 24 hours a day, saving you money. Always keep your client software updated for the best performance and security. WorkSpaces helps maintain data security by keeping all data in the cloud, reducing risks associated with local storage on end-user devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.